From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
Question 14 of 2025 NECO is on proportion, and it says if P is directly proportional to Q and inversely proportional to R, find the equation connecting P, Q, and R. We saw in the previous question how we have direct proportion, inverse proportion, and joint proportion. This is a typical example of what a joint proportion is. And so let's write P is directly proportional to Q. This is how we write it. And then is now inversely proportional to R. And so if we introduce the constant of proportionality, P will be K Q over R. And now if you make K the subject of formula, it will simply be K will be P R over Q. And that is E. If you're not like this video, please like, comment, and share. Subscribe too. Bye.